Hi, it's Kilobyte here. So I wanted to upgrade the reverse lights on my wife's CX-9. So I got these AutoOne bulbs. They're LED, so they're a lot brighter than the incandescents that come with it. So these are a direct replacement for the stock ones. They'll just plug right in. I'll show you how. And all you need is either a trim tool like this or a flathead screwdriver. There is a link in the description with a discount code. So you take your trim tool or your flathead screwdriver, slide it up in there. This is the back inside of the tailgate for reference. So get this side started, and then you'll just pull it out. And right here is the bulb. So you're gonna push in here, pull that out, turn it just a little bit counterclockwise, pull it out, try not to touch the bulb with your fingers. So if you got a glove, clean glove, that'll work, or just use a cloth, something clean, pull the light bulb out. The new one, you definitely want to keep clean. You don't want oils getting on it. That's the key here. So be careful sliding this in. There are the contacts in the socket here. Make sure that those are spread out like they should be. And then you just take the light bulb, slide it in. So to put it back in, it's just the opposite. So when you slide it in, be at a slight angle. Turn it clockwise and plug that in. Take your trim piece. That's all there is to it. Let's see what the difference looks like with the new one on the right and the old one on the left. All right, can you tell which one is the new one? Yeah, it is kind of obvious. You can even see already the left side of the garage there that has the LED light shining on it is much brighter than the right side. So let's get that other one changed. So on the driver's side, let me show you this. It's exactly the same process as the passenger side, except this metal piece is in the way when you go to turn it, and I figured I'd give you a closer view. So on the clip, just press in right there and pull out. This is where you turn it, and you have to have it unplugged before you're going to have clearance. Pull it out. I've already replaced the bulb, obviously, and put it back in like so. Turn it till it clicks and reconnect. That's it. Here we have a comparison on the backup camera. The one on the right is the LED bulbs, and as you can see, it's much brighter, especially if you look on the right at the fence. So behind the car, you can see it's much brighter. And we'll come around. Oh, I'm blind. Yeah, that makes a big difference. So I highly recommend upgrading your reverse lights with these LEDs from AutoOne. In fact, I'm gonna do the same on my Miata. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and use that link that's in the description to buy you a pair. And good luck with yours.